Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna create this look right here. This is inspired by none other than Alia Bhatt, so I recreated this look and I hope this looks similar to her. So Alia was wearing this look so often in her movie promotions, and she's also wearing this look in her upcoming movie Kalank. So she was wearing this brownish smoky coal eyes, nude lips with a white outfit, and the red bindi is of course a cherry on top. This look is so elegant, sophisticated and versatile, very beautiful, and most importantly it is going to suit every Indian girl. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So starting off with skincare, I'm gonna use the biotic serum and applying it all over my face. Then I'm gonna use the PAC bouncy primer and I'm gonna apply it on the areas where I have pores. Then I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Primer on the outer perimeter of my face. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the PAC eyeshadow primer and I'm just priming my lids. Then I took the RIMME translucent loose powder and I'm just setting my lid. Then I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take this coral shade right here and applying it on my crease and slightly above my crease, and I'm just going to blending it in. Then I took a clean fluffy brush and blending the edges, and I took this brown eyeshadow and applying it all over my eyelid. Then I took the brown eyeshadow from Miss Claire and I'm applying it all over my eyelid and especially on the outer corner of my eyes, just to intensify the smoky look a bit more. Then I curled my lashes, applied some mascara. Moving on to my face, and I'm gonna use the liquid illuminator and I'm gonna apply it all over my face, and you will see that it is gonna give a very nice glow to my face. And then I'm gonna use the foundation. For my foundation, I'm gonna go full coverage today and I'm just gonna mix these two of my favorite foundations, and I'm gonna mix a little bit of the liquid highlighter as well. And I'm applying this all over my face, blending it in with a beauty sponge. Then I'm gonna use two of my favorite concealers. First I'm gonna go with the L'Oreal one, and then I'm gonna use the Fit Me one just a tiny bit to highlight my under eyes and to hide my dark circles. And blending it with a beauty sponge. Then to set my face, I'm gonna use the same translucent powder and I'm just gonna set everything on place so that my foundation and concealer doesn't really move. Then I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and I'm just setting my entire face. Then moving on to my brows, and I'm gonna use Wet n Wild brow mascara. First I'm gonna set my brows and then I'm just combing it through with a spoolie, and I'm gonna use the Lakme Kareena Kapoor Khan brow pencil just to fill in the gaps in between my brows. And yeah, that's pretty much it I did for my brows. Then I took a little bit of concealer and with the help of a tiny brush I'm just cleaning up my brows so that they look a little bit structured and presentable. Then I took the same brown Miss Claire eyeshadow and I'm just smoking out my lower lash line a bit. Then I took the NYKAA kajal and I'm just tightlining my eyes. Then with the help of a brush I'm just smoking it out only on my lower lash line. Then I took the same brown Miss Claire eyeshadow and smoking out my lower lash line so that it doesn't have any harsh edges. Then I applied some mascara on my lower lash line, and to contour my face I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution contour palette. I'm gonna take this bronzer shade from here and bronzing up my face, and I'm not gonna contour today and just a subtle bronze will work. Then I'm using the Makeup Revolution SOPH palette and I'm gonna mix these 3 shades. And I'm applying them on the usual areas, nothing new, down the bridge of my nose, on the cheekbones, forehead, in the inner corner of my eyes. And this highlighter is stunning guys. To set everything on place I'm using the NYX setting spray. Then I applied some blush to my cheeks, and for my lips I'm gonna use the NYKAA liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Kapi, and this is a brown, straight up brown lipstick, and to make it even more pink I'm using the same blush and I'm applying it on my lips. And yeah, this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this look. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.